In this video, we're going to take a look at importing .mif files, which are map info files as heat maps in QGIS. So first thing we're going to do is start up QGIS and give it a base layer, maybe. Create a new file. Drag drop that as a base layer. Cool. Search for a heat map. Search for it here. Nice. So it's going to give you this warning sometimes, and that is mainly because the projection, the CRS style of this layer does not match with the CRS style of what we are looking at, which is the project. So essentially, the first thing we have to do is edit it. We have to start off by changing the type of data. To change it to something appropriate, we got to understand what's in the data set. So we can click on the attribute table. And through the attribute table, I guess we can view the different data sets, the tables of it, and can understand that it is incremental and most of it has like a link. So I'm going to start off by creating that heat map and give it a color. I will also give it a criteria to weigh the points by, which should be with regard to the connectivity. Yeah, that looks good. Once I click apply, yep, that's going to happen. And that happened because we haven't yet set a transparent extreme. So now we're going to set the black end as transparent and click apply. There we go. So now the reason why it hasn't yet appeared in our designated area might just be that it has a different CRS. So we go into source and it has non-earth. We just select project and click apply. Oh my bad. Click OK. So a similar zone for the project also. Yeah. Click on zoom to layer. We just solved this error by changing the CRS value. So this is the depth map, but it is opaque as of now. And I would like to change that by going to symbology, changing the layer rendering settings from normal to multiply. Does that work? Yeah. Maybe shift or edit this and probably change the other extreme to transparent and invert the color. so that it's a bit more visible. Yeah, there we go. So that is the depth map, and you can duplicate this layer and create another depth map by changing the criteria for the points. So we can select the second point movement, click OK. It's going to give you a depth map based on, it's going to give you like a heat map based on the second point vision, which shows you that these parts of the road networks are the worst affected, which is visually constrained, basically. Yeah. That's it for the video.